Hi everyone, welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. Today we're going to be having a look at the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE in front-wheel drive in a blueprint exterior color. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger car with a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine and puts out 139 horsepower. Its 50-liter fuel tank requires regular gas with fuel economy ratings of 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 2 miles per gallon in the city and 1.6 miles per gallon on the highway. Let's have a look inside. Alright, peeking into our driver's side interior, got heated fabric seats, manual seat adjustments on both driver's and passenger side, power windows and locks, cup holder down here. Her steering wheel has Bluetooth and audio controls, as well as the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 features. The controls here. Many of those features are the lane tracing assist, lane departure warning with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision system, and the auto high beams. It's also equipped with 10 airbags. Swinging over to the dash, we've got the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's got the Bluetooth settings, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. And this is where backup camera is displayed as well. Climate controls, center console, and our heated seat controls, leather wrap shift knob, the electronic brake hold, 2 cup holders here, and center console storage with the USB and power outlets. Alright, let's jump back outside and take a look at the exterior. Okay, the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE has daytime running LED headlamps, 16-inch steel wheels, power keyboards, seasonal floor mats, and plenty of room back here in the... Alright, the fabric seats continue onto our 60/40 split fold-down seats, center pull-down center console with cup holders, and child safety feature, the car seat latch hooks, both sides, and the power windows right here. Okay, so that was the 2021 Toyota Corolla LE front-wheel drive in the blueprint exterior color. If you want to check it out for yourself, give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our service advisors would be happy to safely book you in for a test drive.